Ever wondered if you can access IPTV on your Roku? Let's delve into this intrigue together. And here's the kicker. Roku doesn't officially support IPTV, yet there are surprising alternatives available. Fancy adding a whole world of channels to your Roku? Follow along as we unveil the process. To start, you need a legally recognized IPTV provider, like our top recommendation, 2TV.store. After subscribing, you'll need a streaming tool such as a Plex Media server or M3U playlist. Integrate these tools into your Roku using simple steps we'll outline, making your device versatile. But how do these tools work? They act as a bridge to stream IPTV channels effortlessly. Skeptical about whether this will work? You're not alone. Many were shocked at the results. With the correct setup, enjoy channels from around the globe with unparalleled picture quality. Users rave about more accessible content with 2TV.store's seamless integration on Roku devices. Curious about service quality? 2TV.store offers consistent and reliable streaming experiences. The value of knowing these hacks. Instant access to premium content you've been missing out on. Imagine the endless possibilities unlocked when you maximize your Roku's full potential. Set up easily today and explore infinite entertainment catered to your preferences. Start your intelligent streaming journey now, utilizing Roku more profoundly with our guide. Keep following for more insights on unlocking technology's hidden benefits. Subscribe for future content.